Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Spotify on your Garmin Venu 2. First, ensure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Next, connect your Garmin Venu 2 to a stable Wi-Fi network for seamless downloads. Remember, a Spotify premium subscription is absolutely essential for enjoying your music offline. Let's get started with the setup process. To connect your Spotify account, begin by pressing and holding the bottom button on your Venu 2 to access the menu. Swipe up to Find Settings, then select Music, followed by Music Providers. Choose Add Music app and then select Spotify. Your watch will prompt you to open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. There, you will log in with your Spotify credentials and agree to the terms, linking your accounts. Once connected, it's time to download your favorite tunes. On your Venu 2 within the Spotify app, select Get Started and then Add Music and Podcasts. You can now browse your Spotify library and choose playlists, recently played tracks, or podcasts to download. For the best experience, ensure your watch is plugged into its charger and positioned close to your Wi-Fi router during the download, as this process uses significant battery power. With your music downloaded, you are ready to listen. Access your Spotify content directly from your watch's music controls. First, ensure your Bluetooth headphones are paired with your Garmin Venu 2. Once connected, you can easily play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume right from your wrist. This allows you to enjoy your favorite music offline, giving you complete freedom from your smartphone during workouts or daily activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.